Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a flash transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. First thing you want to do is pick the clip where you want the transition. I'm using this clip with Central C and Lil Baby Band for Band, but you can use anything. Alright, now go to your project panel, left click and create an adjustment layer. Once you've got it, drag it onto your timeline above the clips, right where you want the transition to happen. Now find the exact spot where the cut is. What I usually do is move a few frames forward, like 1, 2, 3, honestly even 3 frames is enough. You can use the arrow keys to do this precisely. Once that's done, go to Effects, search for Levels and drag that effect onto the adjustment layer. Now here's the important part. Go to the Levels effect and create a keyframe for the input white value. Set that value to 0, this will make the screen go completely white like a flash. Then move to the beginning of the adjustment layer and reset it back to 255. Also make sure that at the end it's set to 255 as well. When you play it back, you'll get this really clean flash transition. If you want the effect to be stronger or crazier, just extend the adjustment layer a bit, like a few more frames, and move the keyframes closer to the start or the end. That way the flash hits harder. You can also reuse this effect multiple times. For example, if there's another moment where the scene switches, like here with the cars, just place the adjustment layer there again and repeat the same steps. And that's basically it. Simple flash transition, super effective, and easy to customize. If you want to instantly improve your edits, check out our shop, where you'll find high-quality effects, presets, and tools to level up your videos. Link in bio.